In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your project from Webflow in a few straightforward steps. If you're ready to get your hands on your Webflow project files, let's dive right in and walk through the entire process together. First, you'll need to log in to your Webflow account. Head over to Webflow's website and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll want to jump straight into the Webflow Designer. In the Designer view, take a moment to ensure you're working within the correct project, the one you'd like to download. This is your starting point, and having everything ready here ensures a smooth process later on. Now, with your project open, let's move on to accessing the code export section. In the Designer interface, you can either click on the code icon, which typically sits comfortably in the top right corner of your screen, or alternatively, head over to the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Both of these options will lead you to the main menu, where you'll find the necessary tools to proceed. Once you're in the main menu, take a look around and select the Export Code option. This is a crucial step because it signifies to Webflow that you want to download your project's code files. By doing this, Webflow is prepared to start gathering the necessary files that constitute your website. Think of it as gathering the pieces of a puzzle. After choosing to export, it's time to prepare the zip file. A button labeled Prepare Zip will appear, and this is where the magic begins. Go ahead and click it. Now, depending on the size of your project, this process might take a little time, especially if you have a larger site with numerous files and assets. During this period, Webflow is compiling everything into a neat package that's ready for you to download. Once this packaging is done, you'll see a Download Zip button appear. Click this button to save the packaged file to your computer. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded a zip file containing all the essential elements of your website. With the zip file now on your local storage, you'll need to unzip it to access the contents. Simply unpack this downloaded zip file, and you'll have access to the inner workings of your website. This unpacking will reveal folders containing your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other asset files you might need for further editing or transferring to another platform. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download your Webflow project files. And with these files now at your disposal, you can explore them, back them up, or even upload them to another hosting service, if that's your plan. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.